In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Metrocard on a bus. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Metrocard to board any sort of public transit, including a bus, is extremely simple. The only prerequisite is that you know for sure that you have enough balance loaded up into your Metrocard. As long as you have it loaded up and you are ready to board, find any bus where you can use the Metro card, and upon entering the bus, you should be able to find the machine that is going to scan your Metro card. Usually, it is going to be placed right at the entrance, close to the Omni NFC reader. If you wish to use your Metro card, all that you have to do is drop the card into the reader. The price should be displayed somewhere along the screen, and as long as you are able to drop the card in there, it is going to get thrown in, scanned, and then thrown out. Like I said, your balance is going to be used, and now you are ready to board. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, as long as your Metro card either has enough balance, value, or time remaining. The process is extremely straightforward, and if you need additional help, there should be information laid out to you right at the entrance. Just drop your card in, and like I said, as long as it is properly active, you should be able to board without any issues. Refilling your card is very simple, and you can do it through any of the machines that you find near the bus stations. But actually boarding it, like I said, all you have to do is drop it inside. If you wish to use your phone instead and pay contactlessly to board any bus, you need to register through Omni and not the Metro card. The Metro card currently cannot be added to a digital wallet on your phone, so the only way to use the Metro card is physically by dropping it into the reader that you can find on the entrance. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Metro card on a bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.